We are happy to be present at Quoz Art Fest with faculty work as well as student work.
So it gives me the creativity to do such a type of things and merging those two majors together.
It's a great opportunity for us to push our research further, but also expose it to the outside world and to showcase it. On the lower level, we have faculty work, and then at the upper level, we have students, a selection of students' work.
It's a beautiful occasion to discuss together about design, about innovation, with our students and with the community.